How to manage promotional emails in Gmail on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to sort, filter, and reduce clutter from marketing emails. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. After that, sign in to your Google account. From there, check if you have a Promotions tab at the top of your inbox. At this point, click on it to see all your promotional emails grouped separately from your main inbox. In the next step, if you don't see this tab, click on the gear icon at the top right. Following this, click on See All Settings. Once done, click on the Inbox tab within Settings. From here, check the box next to Promotions under Categories, then click Save Changes at the bottom. At this stage, once enabled, go back to your inbox and click on the Promotions tab to review these emails. Keep in mind, if you'd rather unsubscribe from specific senders entirely, open an individual promotional email and look for an unsubscribe link, usually near the top or bottom of the message. Finally, click on Subscribe on any senders you no longer want emails from to reduce promotional clutter going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you manage promotional emails in Gmail on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.